Today we are going to learn chapter 2 linear equations in one variable of class 8 exercise number 2.5. Let's solve question number 1. Solve the following linear equation. X by 2 minus 1 by 5 equals to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. So x by 5 minus 1 by 5 equals to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. Then x by 2 minus x by 3 equals to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. Then if we take LCM of 2 and 3 we can get 6. And 4 and 5 LCM we can get as 20. Then 3x minus 2x by 6 equals to 5 plus 4 by 20. Then we can get x by 6 equals to 9 by 20. Then we can get x is equals to 9 into 6 by 20, and then we can get 27 by 10. Let's check our answer is correct or no. X by 2 minus 1 by 5 equals to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. Then we can get 27 by 10 into 2 minus 1 by 5 equals to 27 by 10 into 3 plus 1 by 4. Then we can get 27 by 20 minus 1 by 5 equals to 9 by 10 plus 1 by 4. Then we can get 27 minus 4 by 20 equals to 18 plus 5. Then we can get 23 by 20 equals to 23 by 20. Then we can conclude that LHS equals to RHS. Therefore, it is correct. Let's solve question number 2. Solve the following linear equations. N by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 plus 21. Then we can get n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 equals to 21. We can get 6n minus 9n plus 10n by 12 equals to 21. Then 7n by 12 equals to 21. Then n equals to 21 into 12 by 7. Then n values 36. To check n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 equals to 21, we can write 36 by 2 minus 3 into 36 by 4 plus 5 into 36 by 6 equals to 21. Then we can get 18 minus 27 plus 30 by equals to 21. Then 21 equals to 21, we can get answer, and LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore, it is correct. Let's solve question number 3. Solve the following linear equations. X plus 7 minus 8x by 3 equals to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. Then we can get x by 1 minus 8x by 3 plus 5x by 2 equals to 17 by 6 minus 7 by 1. Then we can get 6x minus 16x plus 15x by 6 equals to 17 minus 42 by 6. Then we can get 5x by 6 equals to minus 25 by 6. Then we can get x is equals to minus 25 into 6 by 6 into 5. Then the value of x is minus 5. There, to check, x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 equals to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2 minus 5 plus 7 minus 8 into minus 5 by 3 equals to 17 by 6 minus 5 into minus 5 by 2. Then we can get 2 plus 40 by 3 equals to 17 by 6 plus 25 by 2. Then we can get 2 plus 40 by 3 equals to 17 by 6 plus 25 by 2. Then we can get 6 plus 40 by 3 equals to 17 plus 75 by 6. We can get 46 by 3 equals to 92 by 6. then we can get 46 by 3 equals to 46 by 3. So we can conclude that LHS is equals to RHS, hence it is correct. Let's solve question number 4. Solve the linear equations x minus 5 by 3 equals to x minus 3 by 5. Then we can get 5 into x minus 5 equals to 3 into x minus 3. Then we can get 5x minus 25 equals to 3x minus 9. Then we can get 5x minus 3x equals to minus 9 plus 25. So we can get 2x equals to 16. Then if we send 2 to the RHS, it divides with the 16. Then x is equals to 16 by 2. Then by cancelling we can get the x value as 8. To check, x minus 5 by 3 equals to x minus 3 by 5. In the place of x, we have to take the value of x. 8 minus 5 by 3 equals to 8 minus 3 by 5. We can get 3 by 3 equals to 5 by 5. Then by cancelling, we can get 1 equals to 1. Then LHS is equals to RHS, hence it is correct. Let's solve question number 5. Solve the following linear equations. 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 equals to 2 by 3 minus t. Then we can get 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 plus t equals to 2 by 3. Then we can get 3 of 3t minus 2 minus 4 of 2t plus 3 plus 2t by 12. We can get 2 by 3. So we can get 90 minus 6 minus 8t minus 12 plus 12t by 12 equals to 2 by 3. Then 13 minus 18 by 12 equals to 2 by 3. Then we can get 3 into 13t minus 18 equals to 2 into 12. We can get 39t minus 54 equals to 24. Then we can get 39t equals to 24 plus 54. Then 39t equals to 78. Then t equals to 78 by 39. Then by cancelling we can get the t value as 2. To check, 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 equals to 2t 2 by 3 minus t. 3 we have to keep the value of t in the place of t. 3 into 2 minus 2 by 4 minus 2 into 2 plus 3 by 3 equals to 2 by 3 minus 2. Then 6 minus 2 by 4 minus 4 plus 3 by 3 equals to 2 minus 6 by 3. Then we can get 4 by 4 minus 7 by 3 equals to minus 4 by 3. Then we can get 1 by 1 minus 7 by 3 equals to minus 4 by 3. And by taking LCM we can get 3 minus 7 by 3 equals to minus 4 by 3. Then 4 by 3 equals to 4 by 3. Then LHS is equals to RHS, therefore it is correct. Let's solve question number 6. Solve the following linear equation. m minus 1 by 2 equals to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. Then we can get m by 1 minus m minus 1 by 2 plus m minus 2 by 3 equals to 1. Then 6m minus 3 of m minus 1 plus 2 of m minus 2 by 6 equals to 1. 6m minus 3m plus 3 plus 2m minus 4 by 6 equals to 1. Then 5m minus 1 by 6 equals to 1. Then 5m minus 1 equals to 6. 5m equals to 6 plus 1. then 5m equals to 7, then m equals to 7 by 5 to check m minus m minus 1 by 2 equals to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. In the place of m we have to keep the m value, then we can get 7 by 5 equals to 7 by 5 minus 1 by 2 equals to 1 minus 7 by 5 minus 2 by 3. Then 7 by 5 minus 7 minus 5 by 5 minus 2 equals to 1 minus 7 minus 10 by 5 by 3. Then we can get 7 by 5 minus 2 by 5 into 2, then equals to 1 minus 3 by 5 into 3. Then we can get 7 by 5 minus 1 by 5 equals to 1 plus 7 by 5. Then we can get 7 minus 1 by 5 equals to 5 plus 1 by 5. Then we can get 6 by 5 equals to 6 by 5. So we can conclude that LHS equals to RHS. Therefore it is correct. Let's solve question number 7. Simplify and solve the following linear equation. 3 of t minus 3 equals to 5 of 2t plus 1. Then we can get 3 of t minus 3 equals to 5 of 2t minus 1. Then we can get 3t minus 9 equals to 10t plus 5. Then we can get 3t minus 10t equals to 5 plus 9. Then we can get 7 minus 7t equals to 14. Then t equals to 14 by minus 7. Then t equals to minus 2. To check 3 of t minus 3 equals to 5 of 2t plus 1, we have to keep the value of t in the place of t. 3 of minus 2 minus 3 equals to 5 of 2 into of minus 2 plus 1. Then we can get 3 into minus 5 equals to 5 of minus 4 plus 1. Then we can get minus 15 equals to 5 into minus 3. Then in LHS we can get minus 15, and in RHS also we can get minus 15. Hence LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore it is correct. Let's solve question number 8. Simplify and solve the following linear equations. 15 of y minus 4 minus 2 of y minus 9 plus 5 of 6y plus 6 equals to 0. We have to solve the linear equation. 5y minus 60 minus 2y plus 18 plus 5y plus 30 equals to 0. Then 18y minus 12 equals to 0. Then 18y minus 12. Then y equals to 12 by 18. By simplifying we can get y equals to 2 by 3. To check 5 of y minus 4 minus 2 of y minus 9 plus 5 of y plus 6 equals to 0. We have to take 2 by 3 in the place of y. 5 of 2 by 3 minus 4 minus 2 of 2 by 3 minus 9 plus 5 of 2 by 3 plus 6 equals to 0. Then we can get 15 of 2 minus 12 by 3 minus 2. 2 of 2 minus 27 by 3 plus 5 of 2 plus 18 by 3 equals to 0. Then we can get 15 into minus 10 by 3 minus 2 into minus 25 by 3 plus 5 into 20 by 3 equals to 0. Then minus 50 plus 50 by 3 plus 100 by 3 equals to 0. Then minus 50 plus 100 by 3 equals to 0. Then minus 50 plus 150 by 3 equals to 0. Then minus 50 plus 50 equals to 0. Then LHS is equals to RHS. Hence it is correct. Simplify and solve the following linear equations. 3 of 5z minus 7 minus 2 of 9z minus 11 equals to 4 of 8z minus 13 minus 17. Then we can get 15z 15z minus 21 minus 18z plus 22 equals to 32z plus 52 minus 17. Then we can get minus 3z plus 1 equals to 32z minus 69. Then we can get minus z minus 32z equals to 16. 69 minus 1. Then we get minus 35z equals to minus 70. Then z is equals to minus 70 by minus 35 equals to 2. Then 3 of 5z minus 7 minus 2 of 9z minus 11 equals to 4 of 8z minus 13 minus 17. Then we can get 3 of 5 into 2 minus 7 equal minus 2 of 9 into 2 minus 11 equals to 4 of 8 into 2 minus 13 minus 17. Then we can get 3 of 10 minus 7 minus 2 of 18 minus 11. 3 of 10 minus 7 minus 2 of 18 minus 11 equals to 4 of 16 minus 13 minus 17. Then we can get 3 into 3 minus 2 into 7 equals to 4 into 3 minus 17. Then we can get 9 minus 14 equals to 12 minus 17. Then we can get minus 5 equals to minus 5. Then we can conclude LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore, it is correct. Question number 10. Simplify and solve the following linear equations. 0.25 of 4f minus 3 equals to 0.05 of 10f minus 9. Then we can get 1.00f minus 0.75 equals to 0.50f minus 0.45. Then we can get 1.00f minus 0.50f equals to minus 0.45 plus 0.75. Then we can get 0.50f equals to 0.3. Then f is equals to 0.3 by 0.50. Then we can get f values 0.6. To check 0.25 of 4f minus 3 equals to 0.05 of 10f minus 9. Then we can get 0.25 of 4 into 0.6 minus 3 equals to 0.05 of 10 into 0.6 minus 9. Then we can get 0.25 of 2.4 minus 3. Then we can get 0.05 minus 6.0 minus 9. Then we can get 0.25 into minus 0.6 equals to 0.05 minus into minus 3. Then we can get minus 0.150 equals to minus 0.150. Then we can conclude LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore, it is correct.